Okay, just got up, got dressed, got the fire going. It was another frosty one last night. Frost around the breathing area of the bag there. Fire's going, water from the water bottle is on. Let's go greet that morning, see what we got. Okay, temperature. It's about minus 22, but it was minus 25 earlier this morning when I got up, checked it out. That's cold. Oh, gotta zip the door down to keep the heat in. Oh, fire's so nice. Fire good. Fire really good. Okay. Cloudy. There's my smoke plume there coming from my camp, drifting across. No wind this morning, that's nice. Snow has that cold, squeaky sound. I forgot to cover the water hole last night with snow, so I gotta chop that out. Okay, heat. Heat. I can feel that on my hands. Ooh. Oh yeah. I'm enjoying the last hot drink before packing up. Got the rest of this stuff cleared out. Everything that's left is just the pots with still hot water, and all this cooked stuff goes in the milk crate that I'm sitting on here. So after I luxuriate in the last of the warmth, it's about minus 15 Celsius outside. After I luxuriate in the warmth and finish the hot drink, then I'm going to toss that water, put the cook kit all away, take it out, take the processed wood, put it outside somewhere where I will then cache it. And then comes the terrible job of cleaning out the hot burning ash and coals from the fire. And try not to burn the tent down. Then take that out when it's still hot with gloves on, hoping I don't burn through. And then the horrible job of tossing the ash, which then blows up in one's face. The usual. Okay, if I can just put that off a little while while I sip my coffee. I'm not in a rush to pack up and go. Cheers, morning 4. Packing up. Some of these bags have to go into that big red bag. Stove's packed up. Boughs are cleaned up as much as I can. Those are just the broken up tips. Boughs are stored there for another day. if I come back this winter. Stove skids, rear stove shim, bipod poles, couldn't find a V-notch to store the splits in, but put them under here. They won't stay super dry there, but that's the best I could do. And of course, lots of firewood poles if I come back, and they'll be there in future years if we don't get blow down, smashing it down. Okay, it's about minus 15, snowing of course, and sorry I did not film the camp breakdown, but very cold and windy and snowy and a lot of work. So it's been a good trip. Now to pack up that sled and haul out.